Xenon is one of the gases that may be found in the greatest abundance in all over the planet and has 54 electrons. It is a monoatomic gas that belongs to the group of 18 of noble gases. It has a stable valence shell and it is a chemically stable compound, so it does not interfere with renal and hepatic systems. It has been discovered that it has a beneficial influence on the amount of opioids that are required during surgery. It is hypothesized that the impact is brought about via an impairment of NMDA transporters in the posterior horn of the spine cord. Most xenon compounds involve elements that are high in electronegativity. This allows for easier chemical synthesis. A good example of a xenon compound is CF6. This molecule serves as the starting point for the production of practically all other xenon derivatives. The discovering of xenon is an important turning point in the annals of chemistry. While working at University College London in July 1898, Morris Travers and William Ramsay made the discovery of xenon. These two guys presented their results to the Royal Society later on, in that same year. These British scientists had also isolated neon, argon, and krypton. Although xenon is very rare, it is found in trace amounts throughout the Earth's atmosphere. Atmospheric xenon concentrations are typically low. Asteroids and comets contain it as well. Xenon occurs naturally in a broad range of states, from liquid to solid to gas. Fractional distillation of liquid air results in xenon. Xenon is a major tracer of the material from which the Sun and planets formed. Instead, its chemical structure suggests that it has been formed in a variety of stellar processes, such as supernova explosions and neutron star mergers. This unique molecular structure has been used to identify the source of the solar system. In addition, scientists have discovered a xenon fingerprint in the solar wind flow. This fingerprint, which has been found in Jupiter, Saturn, and Mars, reveals clues to the origin of the solar system. The ESA Rosetta mission found a xenon isotope at the comet 67P, Churyumov-Gerasimenko. The mission was able to fly close to the comet in May 2016. A flyby was quite challenging and it was the first time a spacecraft had traveled that close to a comet. The gas xenon has no discernible chemical properties. It is odorless, tasteless, and transparent. This element is a non-explosive noble gas with a boiling point of -108 degrees Celsius. It has a density of 5.894 grams per liter. The element has 7 isotopes with different mass numbers. Xenon has an atomic radius of 0.217 nanometers and it has a number of valuable properties. Among these is its ability to produce chemical bonds. On the other hand, several studies have looked at xenon's neuroprotective effects, demonstrating its value in protecting the developing brain from oxidative stress. However, randomized clinical trials to determine its neuroprotective efficacy are still needed. When excited by an electrical discharge, it emits a blue glow. Xenon in solid form becomes a face-centered cubic crystal. Under pressure, it changes into a hexagonal close-packed crystal. Xenon is used in a variety of applications. Besides being used in cars and airplanes, the gas is also used in many different ways in industrial settings. In addition to its use in lighting, xenon is also used as a radioactive diagnostic agent in clinical imaging. It has also been used in the chemistry and biology industries. Xenon is also used in nuclear energy applications, as well as ion drive propulsion systems for spacecraft. Additionally, xenon has been put to use in the capacity as a universal anesthetic. As an anesthetic, it induces unconsciousness. This element is well accepted that xenon is safe for use in anesthesia, and it has also been put to use in a wide range of other medical fields, notably ophthalmology. Xenon is also used in specialized light sources. It is used in xenon and oxygen mixtures, gamma-ray calorimeters, electronic flashes, bactericidal lamps, and stroboscopic lamps. Nevertheless, its use in industry is restricted because of the high cost of production. Xenon is also used for scientific research in medical imaging. It is possible to scan live tissue using certain radioisotopes of this substance. In clinical imaging, xenon is used to image the brain and heart. Last but not least, the compounds derived from xenon are used to manufacture drugs, plasma displays, and light bulbs.